Why does your scanner show the P2626 engine code? What does it mean? P2626 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor pumping current trim circuit or Open Bank 1 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected a problem within the O2 sensor system's circuitry. This typically means the oxygen sensor in Bank 1, sensor 1, is either faulty or its wiring and connections are damaged. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring and connector issues, fuel system problems, ECM, engine control module, issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Focus, Nissan, Mercedes, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.